Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Ford Fiesta CL hatch. Stock reference number 4910. This shape runs from the 10th month 2010 through to the 8th month 2013. It has a TSJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. TSJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. With the left front, 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door, one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear, 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has two small dents on top. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, front only type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.